Good morning, children. Today we are going to start off with the 10th chapter, which is our universe. I'm sure you must have wondered what universe is all about. What all are there in the universe? How many planets do we have in our solar system? What is a solar system? You must have wondered about all of these things. I'm sure you must have read something about solar system in your EVS as well. So let's learn more about universe today. Okay? One clear summer night, Rohan and his father were out taking a stroll. Suddenly, Rohan spotted something whizzing down from the sky. He shouted loudly, "Look, Daddy, a shooting star!" Rohan tugged at his father's sleeve and said, "Isn't the sky looking nice and bright with so many shining stars? A teacher tells us that they are a part of the universe." "What is the universe?" His father replied, "The universe is a huge wide open space. It came into being when there was a big explosion called the Big Bang many million years ago." "That sounds exciting," said Rohan. "Please tell me more." "Come, let's sit for a while and gaze into the sky as I tell you some fascinating facts about our universe." Okay, so Rohan was a boy on a clear summer night. He was sitting under the sky along with his father, and he saw something whiz. Whiz is to move very quickly. They were taking a stroll in the night. Stroll is taking a walk. Okay, going for a walk is strolling. Okay, they were on going for a stroll, and then Rohan saw something bright. Right? What did he see? He spotted something whizzing down from the sky. Whizzing down is moving fast. Now look at this picture. Right? If you look at this picture, there's something whizzing down. Right? So he saw something moving very quickly in the sky. And he shouted, "Look, Daddy, a shooting star." I'm sure you must have seen a shooting star. A bright light which goes across the sky. That is called a shooting star. So Rohan tugged his to pull. He pulled at his father's sleeve and he said, "Isn't the sky looking nice and bright with so many shining stars?" He says, "Isn't the sky looking so nice with all these shining stars in it?" And he said, "Our teacher tells us that they're all a part of the universe." Now he didn't know what universe was. His teacher said the stars are all a part of the universe. Now he wanted to know what universe was. So he asked his father, "What is the universe?" His father says the universe is a huge, wide, open space. It came into being when there was a big explosion called the Big Bang many million years ago. Okay? Now Rohan found this very interesting. He said, "That sounds exciting. Can you tell me more about it?" His father says, "Come, let's sit down for a while and gaze." Gaze is look. Look at the sky as I tell you something fascinating. Fascinating is very interesting. Tell you some fascinating facts about our universe. Okay? Now his father says,